Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through a quick and simple guide on how to hide your past experience details on the LinkedIn app when using your PC. With the latest update, the settings menu looks a little cleaner, but some options have shifted, so let's go step by step together. First, open the LinkedIn app on your PC. Once it loads, head to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Me icon. This icon will open a drop-down menu with several account options that let you manage your profile and settings. From that list, select View Profile. This will take you straight to your professional profile page, where all of your job experience, education, and updates are displayed. Next, look for the section titled Public Profile and URL on the right-hand side of your profile. You'll notice a small edit icon right next to it. Go ahead and click that. Once you're inside the editing menu, you will see different visibility options for your profile. Here's the important part. Scroll down and navigate to the area labeled Past Experience. Under this section, you'll find a toggle for details. By default, this may be enabled, meaning all of your past job history and details are publicly visible. To hide them, simply switch the toggle to Disable. As soon as you make this change, your past experience details will no longer appear to others who visit your profile. What's great about this setting is that you're still able to keep your experience saved internally on your account, but you have full control over who gets to view those details publicly. Finally, once disabled, review your profile to confirm the updates have been applied. Your past roles will remain hidden from public view, keeping your profile cleaner and more private based on your preferences. That's it. You've successfully hidden your past experience details on LinkedIn using the PC app. Thanks for watching.